Many people think hackers only target big companies or famous people. This is a dangerous myth. The truth is, most cyber attacks are not personal. They are automated. Hackers use software to scan the internet for anyone with a weakness. They look for an old password. They look for an unpatched device. They look for a moment of distraction. Your data is valuable to them, even if you are not a celebrity. They can sell your login details. They can use your accounts for fraud. They can steal your identity. Believing you are too small to hack is like leaving your front door unlocked because you think burglars only target mansions. The digital world is now central to our lives. We bank online, we shop online, we connect with family and friends online. This deep integration means a single security mistake can have wide-ranging consequences. A compromised email account could give a criminal access to every other account linked to it. That is why basic cybersecurity hygiene is not just for tech experts anymore. It is a fundamental life skill, as important as locking your car or looking both ways before you cross the street. These simple habits create a strong defense against the vast majority of common threats you will face. Protecting yourself does not have to be difficult or time-consuming. You do not need to become a security guru overnight. The goal is to make yourself a harder target. Most attackers are looking for easy wins. When they encounter even basic defenses, they will often give up and move on to someone less prepared. Your passwords are the keys to your digital life. A weak password is like a flimsy key that anyone can copy. You must start by making them strong. Forget about simple words with numbers swapped in. The best passwords are long and memorable to you, but random to others. Think of a short, weird sentence. For example, "My cat hates rainy Tuesdays" is incredibly strong. It is long. It has mixed case. It includes a symbol. It is easy for you to remember. Make a unique one like this for every important account, especially your email, especially your banking. Trying to remember dozens of unique long passwords is impossible for any human. That is where a password manager comes in. A password manager is a secure digital vault that creates and stores these complex passwords for you. You only need to remember one single, very strong master password to unlock the vault. It can then automatically fill in your login details on websites and apps. This is one of the single most effective security steps you can take. It solves the problem of reusing weak passwords and makes your life easier at the same time. Even the best password can be stolen. That is why you need a second layer of defense called two-factor authentication, or two-factor authentication. Hackers know it is often easier to trick you than to break through your defenses. This is called phishing. They send you an email. They send you a text message. They may even call you on the phone. They might pose as your bank, or a delivery company, or a government agency. Their goal is to create a sense of urgency or fear. They want you to act without thinking. The message might say your account is locked. It might say you have a package waiting, or that you owe money. They will then ask you to click a link, or to provide personal information. Learning to spot these traps is a critical skill. First, always check the sender's address. Example: security update, netflixsupport.co. Look for small misspellings or unusual domain names. Second, hover your mouse cursor over any links before you click them. The preview that pops up will show the real destination, often a strange, unrelated web address. Legitimate companies will not ask for your password or full credit card number over email. Poor grammar and spelling are also major red flags. This threat is not limited to email. Over text, this is called smishing. Example: package could not be delivered, with a link to reschedule. Over the phone, this is called vishing. A scammer might call pretending to be tech support and say your computer is infected. In all these cases, their script is the same. Create panic and pressure you into giving up info or control of your device. The best defense is simple. Stop. Your devices, your phone, laptop, tablet, are the gateways to your digital world, you know. Keeping the software on them up to date is not just about getting new features. It is one of the most important security tasks you can perform. When companies like Apple, Google, Microsoft release a software update, it often includes patches for critical security vulnerabilities. By delaying updates, you leave a known, unlocked door open for attackers. Turn on automatic updates for your operating system and your apps. Beyond updates, your devices need a security guard. This is the job of antivirus anti-malware. These programs run in the background, scanning for malicious files and suspicious activity. They can detect and block viruses, spyware, ransomware before they do damage. Built-in protection helps, but a reputable third-party antivirus adds an extra layer, especially on Windows. Choose a well-known brand, keep it running, and let it update threat definitions automatically. Even with the best defenses, things can still go wrong. A device can be lost. A device can be stolen. A device can be infected with ransomware that locks all your files. This is why regular backups are not optional. They are your safety net. A backup is simply a second copy of your important data, photos, documents, other files stored in a separate location. You can back up your data to an external hard drive that you keep at home, or you can use an automated cloud backup service. Having a recent backup means that even if the worst happens, you will not lose what is most precious to you. You should also be the first to know if something is wrong with your accounts. Get into the habit of actively monitoring your digital life. Periodically review your bank statements. Periodically review your credit card statements for any transactions you do not recognize. Many banks allow you to set up alerts that will notify you via text or email every time a transaction is made. Similarly, check the login history for your important online accounts like email, social media. If you see a login from a strange location or device, you can act immediately to change your password and secure the account. Cybersecurity is not a one-time setup. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to us for more. Thanks for watching.